Welcome to our comprehensive guide on ISO 9001-2015. Whether you're a student, a newcomer, or a busy executive, this video will help you understand the essentials of quality management systems. ISO 9001-2015 is the world's leading standard for quality management, providing a framework for organizations to consistently meet customer and regulatory requirements. In this series, we'll break down the history, requirements, and benefits of the standard in a user-friendly way. You'll discover how organizations can quickly set up a compliant quality management system without high consultancy fees. Let's embark on this journey to quality excellence together. Quality is a term we hear every day, but what does it really mean in business? In the context of ISO 9001-2015, quality is all about meeting the needs and expectations of customers. It's not about being the most expensive or the fanciest. It's about delivering products or services that fulfill their intended purpose. For example, both a luxury car and an economy car can be considered high quality if they meet their respective design requirements and satisfy their buyers. Ultimately, quality is measured by customer satisfaction and the ability to consistently meet agreed-upon standards. According to the International Organization for Standardization, ISO, quality is defined as the totality of features and characteristics of a product or service that bear on its ability to satisfy stated or implied needs. In simpler terms, a product or service is of good quality when it complies with the requirements specified by the client. This definition shifts the focus from subjective ideas of excellence to objective criteria based on customer needs. So quality is not just about being the best, it's about being fit for purpose and consistently meeting expectations. Customer satisfaction is at the heart of quality management. When customers receive products or services that meet their expectations, they are more likely to return and recommend the business to others. Consistency is crucial. Customers want to know they can rely on the same level of quality every time. This is why organizations invest in quality management systems, to ensure repeatable, reliable results that build trust and loyalty. In today's competitive markets, proof of quality is often required before contracts are awarded, making quality assurance more important than ever. As products and services have become more complex, the need for structured quality management has grown. Organizations can no longer rely solely on reputation. They must provide evidence that their offerings meet quality standards. This led to the development of quality management systems, QMS, which help control and monitor every stage of the product or service lifecycle. QMS ensures that processes are in place to consistently deliver quality, and it provides the documentation needed to prove compliance to customers and regulators. In the latest edition of ISO 9001, responsibility for quality is shared by everyone in the organization. Gone are the days when a single quality manager carried the burden. Now, quality is a collective responsibility, involving all members of the organization. This approach ensures long-term success through customer satisfaction and benefits to all stakeholders. Quality management includes planning, control, assurance, and improvement, making it a holistic process that touches every aspect of the business. ISO distinguishes between products and services in a clear way. A product is the result of a process that does not involve direct interaction between the supplier and the customer, such as manufacturing a car. A service, on the other hand, includes at least one activity performed at the interface between the provider and the customer, like consulting or technical support. Many offerings today combine elements of both, making it important for organizations to understand and manage quality across all types of outputs. Quality control (QC) and quality assurance (QA) are often confused, but they serve different purposes. QC focuses on fulfilling quality requirements through inspections, checks, and tests. It's about verifying that outputs meet the standards. QA, on the other hand, is about providing confidence that processes will consistently deliver quality. It involves planning, setting standards, and establishing procedures to prevent errors before they occur. Both are essential parts of a robust quality management system. Quality control is all about operational techniques and activities used to fulfill quality requirements. It involves supervising products or services to ensure they meet the desired standards at every stage, from design to production, installation, and service. QC aims to prevent errors, but also includes mechanisms to detect and correct them when they occur. Everyone involved in a process plays a role in quality control, making it a shared responsibility across the organization. Quality assurance is about building confidence in an organization's ability to consistently deliver products or services that meet requirements. QA involves all planned and systematic actions necessary to provide this confidence, both to customers and within the organization. It's not just about checking the final product, but about ensuring that every process is designed and managed to achieve quality outcomes. QA is a managerial process that supports continual improvement and customer trust. Quality management system, QMS, is a set of interrelated elements, such as policies, procedures, and resources, designed to manage and improve quality across an organization. The QMS provides the structure needed to ensure that products and services consistently meet customer and regulatory requirements. It's not just about documentation, it's about creating a culture of quality that permeates every aspect of the business. A well-implemented QMS leads to better performance, higher customer satisfaction, and greater competitiveness. Main components of a QMS include quality policies, processes, procedures, and work instructions. These elements work together to define how quality is managed, who is responsible for what, and how compliance is achieved. The QMS also includes documented information that serves as evidence of conformity. By establishing clear roles, responsibilities, and processes, organizations can ensure that quality is built into every stage of their operations. Traditionally, organizations maintained a quality manual, a document that outlined the structure and operation of the QMS. While ISO 9001:2015 no longer requires a formal quality manual, many organizations still use one as a central reference for policies, procedures, and roles. The key is to maintain documented information that demonstrates how quality is managed, regardless of the format. This flexibility allows organizations to adapt their documentation to suit their size and needs. Implementing a QMS brings numerous benefits. It increases an organization's ability to consistently provide products and services that meet specifications, reduces costs through less waste and fewer rejects, and boosts staff motivation by involving everyone in quality efforts. Improved customer relationships and satisfaction lead to more orders and long-term security. Ultimately, a strong QMS supports business growth and enhances reputation in the marketplace. To be successful, QMS must enable an organization to offer products and services that satisfy customer expectations, comply with relevant standards, and remain competitive. It should also ensure profitability by controlling costs. The QMS must cover all aspects of quality control and assurance, from organizational structure and contract specifications to production, testing, and after-sales service. This comprehensive approach helps organizations prove their capability to deliver quality consistently. While implementing a QMS can involve significant investment, especially if previous quality methods were lacking, the long-term benefits far outweigh the costs. A well-designed QMS reduces waste, rework, and administrative overhead, leading to substantial savings. The key is to find the right balance, invest enough to achieve significant quality improvements, but avoid over-investing where returns diminish. The result is increased capability, reduced costs, and higher customer satisfaction. QMS covers the entire lifecycle of a product, from marketing and development to production, delivery, and after-sales service. This quality loop ensures that every stage is managed with quality in mind, reducing the risk of errors and increasing customer satisfaction. By following the quality loop, organizations can identify opportunities for improvement and ensure that quality is maintained throughout the product's life. Just like products, services follow a quality loop that includes development, delivery, monitoring, and improvement. Managing quality in services requires attention to timing, customer interaction, and the specific needs of each client. By applying the same principles as with products, organizations can ensure that their services consistently meet expectations and drive customer loyalty. Product quality is influenced by a range of factors, including design, materials, processes, and human resources. Key measures include conformity to specifications, reliability, appearance, and performance. By monitoring these determinants, organizations can identify areas for improvement and ensure that products consistently meet customer needs. Service quality depends on factors such as staff proficiency, facilities, timing, and adherence to specifications. Customer satisfaction is achieved when services are delivered reliably and efficiently, meeting or exceeding expectations. By measuring and managing these determinants, organizations can enhance their service offerings and build stronger client relationships. In today's markets, simply claiming to deliver quality is not enough. Customers and regulators often require proof, which is where ISO 9001:2015 certification comes in. Certification demonstrates that an organization's QMS meets international standards, providing confidence to customers and opening doors to new business opportunities. It's a powerful tool for building trust and credibility. QMS includes both internal and external quality control measures. Internal quality assurance ensures that processes are followed and standards are met within the organization. External quality control provides confidence to customers and regulators that products and services meet required standards. Together, these mechanisms create a robust system for managing and demonstrating quality. Successful QMS requires a clear organizational structure, with defined roles and responsibilities for quality management. This includes top management commitment, quality teams, and involvement from all staff. By establishing accountability and fostering a culture of quality, organizations can ensure that everyone contributes to achieving quality objectives. Quality policy is a formal statement of an organization's commitment to quality. It outlines the overall intentions and direction regarding quality, as expressed by top management. The policy serves as the foundation for the QMS, guiding the development of objectives, processes, and procedures. A strong quality policy is focused on customer satisfaction and continual improvement. Mission statements and corporate policy statements are essential components of a QMS. The mission statement provides a high-level declaration of intent, focusing everyone in the organization on a common goal. The corporate policy statement expands on this, detailing management's commitment to quality and outlining specific objectives. Both should be communicated and understood throughout the organization. Comply with ISO 9001:2015. Organizations must establish policies for each key process. These process-specific policies provide clear guidance on how activities should be performed to achieve quality objectives. By breaking down business activities into manageable processes, organizations can ensure that every aspect of their operations is controlled and optimized for quality. Quality objectives provide a focus for directing resources and efforts towards achieving desired results. Objectives should be consistent with the quality policy and relate to specific processes. The SMART framework, specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, timely, helps organizations set effective objectives that can be monitored and achieved. Using the SMART approach ensures that quality objectives are clear and achievable. For example, an objective like deliver 99.8% of products within 48 hours by year end is specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely. By setting and tracking such objectives, organizations can monitor progress, identify areas for improvement, and celebrate successes. Another method for setting objectives is the RUMBA approach: reasonable, understandable, measurable, believable, achievable. This framework ensures that objectives are practical and accepted by staff, increasing the likelihood of success. Whichever method you choose, the key is to set objectives that drive performance and support quality improvement. Quality process is any activity that transforms inputs into outputs using resources. Processes are everywhere, from waking up in the morning to building a computer network. In a QMS, processes are designed to ensure that every step adds value and contributes to achieving quality objectives. By mapping and managing processes, organizations can identify inefficiencies and opportunities for improvement. Process approach involves identifying and managing all the interlinked processes within an organization. Outputs from one process often become inputs for the next, creating a chain of activities that must be coordinated for optimal performance. By focusing on processes and their interactions, organizations can achieve more consistent and predictable results. Each process has several key components: purpose, performance targets, process owner, suppliers, inputs, outputs, and resources. The process owner is responsible for ensuring the process is executed effectively and remains relevant. By defining these components, organizations can better manage and improve their processes. Quality procedures detail what needs to be done to implement policies and processes, while work instructions provide step-by-step guidance for specific tasks. Together, they ensure that everyone knows how to perform their roles correctly and consistently. Well-documented procedures and instructions are essential for training, compliance, and continuous improvement. Documentation is a cornerstone of any QMS. It provides evidence of compliance, supports audits, and helps maintain consistency across the organization. ISO 9001:2015 allows flexibility in how documentation is managed, but it must be sufficient to demonstrate that quality requirements are being met. Whether digital or paper-based, effective documentation supports transparency and accountability. Quality management extends throughout the entire product lifecycle, from design and manufacturing to acceptance, in-service, and end-of-life stages. Each phase presents unique challenges and opportunities for ensuring quality. By applying QMS principles at every stage, organizations can minimize risks, reduce costs, and deliver greater value to customers. Both purchasers and suppliers have important roles in quality management. Purchasers must clearly define requirements and evaluate suppliers' capabilities, while suppliers are responsible for delivering products and services that meet those requirements. Effective communication and collaboration between both parties are essential for achieving quality outcomes. Advances in computer technology have transformed quality management. Digital tools enable organizations to automate processes, track performance, and analyze data more effectively. Technology also supports better documentation, communication, and training, making it easier to implement and maintain a robust QMS. Quality standards have evolved over decades, responding to changes in industry practices and customer expectations. From early national standards to the development of the ISO 9000 family, each iteration has aimed to improve clarity, consistency, and relevance. Understanding this history helps organizations appreciate the rationale behind current requirements and anticipate future trends. Quality standards are developed by a range of organizations, including the International Organization for Standardization, ISO, the International Electrotechnical Commission, IEC, and national standards bodies. These organizations collaborate to ensure that standards are globally relevant and widely accepted, supporting international trade and best practices. ISO 9001:2015 is built around a high-level structure known as Annex SL, which standardizes the format and terminology of management system standards. This makes it easier for organizations to integrate multiple management systems, such as quality, environmental, and safety. The structure includes clauses on context, leadership, planning, support, operation, performance evaluation, and improvement. The 2015 revision of ISO 9001 introduced several important changes, including a great emphasis on risk-based thinking, leadership, and the engagement of people. The language has been simplified, and the requirements are more flexible, making it easier for organizations of all sizes to implement. These changes reflect the evolving needs of businesses and the importance of continual improvement. ISO 9001:2015 is based on 7 quality management principles: customer focus, leadership, engagement of people, process approach, improvement, evidence-based decision-making, and relationship management. These principles provide a foundation for effective quality management and guide organizations in achieving sustained success. Many other standards are based on the structure and requirements of ISO 9001:2015, including those for aerospace, automotive, healthcare, and information technology. This widespread adoption demonstrates the versatility and effectiveness of the ISO 9001 framework in diverse industries. Once a QMS is established, organizations should focus on continual improvement, internal audits, and achieving certification. Certification to ISO 9001-2015 provides external validation of the QMS and can enhance reputation, open new markets, and drive ongoing improvement. Internal audits help identify areas for enhancement and ensure ongoing compliance. Summary: ISO 9001-2015 provides a powerful framework for managing and improving quality in any organization. By understanding and applying its principles, organizations can achieve greater consistency, customer satisfaction, and business success. Remember, quality is everyone's responsibility, and a strong QMS is the foundation for long-term growth and competitiveness. Thank you for joining us on this journey to quality excellence.